Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Skoda Auto presents the second generation of the Kodiaq. It takes sustainability and efficiency to the next level and comes with a new interior concept. The all-new Kodiaq features a 13-inch infotainment display, innovative Skoda Smart Dial with haptic controls, and a new range structure with design selection. Its 5 powertrain offering output from 110 kW or 150 horsepower to 150 kW or 204 horsepower. Now also include the plug-in hybrid version. A first for Kodiaq with an electric range of more than 100 kilometers. The two top engines are made to all-wheel drive as standard, also making their debut at the last generation of the LED matrix headlight and the dynamic chassis control system. The new Kodiaq is available with 2 diesel and 2 petrol engines, delivering output from 110 kW or 150 horsepower to 150 kW or 204 horsepower. A new addition to the range is a Kodiaq first ever plug-in hybrid powertrain. It offers a system output of 150 kW or 204 horsepower and an all-electric range of more than 100 kilometers. On top of that, the 1.5 TSI with 110 kW or 150 horsepower marked the debut of mild hybrid technology in the Kodiaq. The 2.0 TSI with 150 kW or 204 horsepower and a 2.0 TDI top diesel with 142 kW or 190 horsepower come with all-wheel drive as standard. All powertrains in the new Kodiaq are made to a DSG automatic transmission as standard. On the exterior, the advanced top LED matrix headlights immediately catch the eye, while the interior, recycled textiles and leather originating from an eco-friendly tanning process reflect the brand's clear focus on sustainability. In addition to the new range structure with specific design selection and optional package, the Kodiaq also features a new interior concept. The infotainment display is now freestanding, with a screen diagonal of up to 13 inch. A head-up display is optionally available for the first time. The selector lever is now mounted on the steering column, which lends the center console a very clean and tidy look. The new Skoda Smart Dial are a first for Skoda. They combine haptic control with a 32mm digital display, providing intuitive, easy and customizable access to numerous vehicle and infotainment functions. The new phone box enables inductive charging of 2 smartphones at a time, delivering 15 watts of power and also cooling the device during the charging process.